Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making a keto, low-carb, zucchini and walnut cake. So let's start baking. There are 3 parts of ingredients to the zucchini walnut cake. For the first part, you will need 1 cup of coconut flour, half a cup of almond flour, 1 cup of crushed walnuts, half a cup of sweetener, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of ground cardamom. For the wet ingredients, you will need 5 eggs, 1 grated zucchini, half a cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and half a cup of sour cream. For the frosting, you will need 227 grams of cream cheese at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of butter at room temperature, half a cup of sweetener, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and some crushed pistachios for garnishing. And this is how your keto, low-carb zucchini walnut cake looks like. And it's also gluten-free, so enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!